In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to connect MailChimp into your Shopify store. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Shopify like you usually would. Then from here, you need to go up to the admin page. Then from here, you need to go over to the left-hand menu and go down to settings. Then from here, you need to go over to apps and sales channels and go over to Shopify App Store. Then from here, when you're here, you need to either search for the app MailChimp, or you can go down here to the popular section where it will be. So from here, you'll need to click install. Then a new page will pop up where you can see this one, install app. And here you just need to click install like so. Then from here, you can either log into your account or you can create an account right here. When you click create an account, you'll go over to app shop sync. And then from here, you'll need to add in your business address, your city, state, province, zip code, and the country. Then you can click save and activate account. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!